Did you know your server could be facing hundreds of login attacks every day? These are called brute force attacks, where bots repeatedly try different username and password combinations to gain access to your cPanel, WHM, FTP, or SSH accounts. The good news? A few extra security measures can make your server much harder to hack. First, enable cP-Hulk brute force protection in WHM. It automatically detects repeated failed logins and blocks suspicious IP addresses before they can do damage. Next, secure your SSH access. Change the default SSH port, disable direct root login, and use SSH keys instead of passwords whenever possible. Another essential step is enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Even if someone steals your password, they still won't be able to log in without the verification code from your mobile device. Also, enforce strong passwords for all hosting accounts. Use a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. For even stronger protection, install a firewall such as CSF and enable a web application firewall like Mod Security. These tools help block malicious bots and suspicious traffic before it reaches your server. Don't forget to regularly monitor login logs and keep your cPanel, operating system, and software updated with the latest security patches. Server security isn't about one setting. It's about multiple layers of protection working together. By enabling cP-Hulk, using 2FA, securing SSH, strengthening passwords, and keeping your server updated, you can significantly reduce the risk of brute force attacks. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more hosting and server security tips. Thanks for watching.